days, so I'm on day 2. It says at the top. So it's every 7 days. Come on, give me that. Okay. Somebody else is coming. Tons of leather in here, which is good. I still have not found the... I think he's coming round. Oh, there he is. Jesus, more of them. Ooh, eggs, finally. Be able to make some eggs and bacon. Seems like a personal question, Jesus. Oh, Toadus's favorite. Don't joke it, Toadus. Oh, jeez. Right, any cans. What's he doing? Was he gnarling up the tree there? Crazy bugger. Alright, I think we're clear for now. Let's get back in here. Yeah, researched all this shit. Right. Oh, do you know what? I'm gonna start collecting the oil now. We're kind of close. Chemistry set. Oh shit. Alright, what else can we drop some stuff that I don't need? Probably those. I don't need many of them. Oh, I do need to eat actually. Need some food as well. Can we not get past here? Oh, it's downstairs. Oh boy. Shit, better not be zombies coming down the stairs. Holy shit, what the fuck? Fucking clout you buggers on the head now. Can't hit her. Can't hit her. No, I can. Oh shit, this guy's. Oh. Oh fuck. Oof. Holy crap. Alright, we're good. Man, this is not a great place to be. Oh my god. Fucking creeping Jesus around the furnace. What the hell? Oh my god. These guys are gonna kill me in a minute. Look up in the sky, early February, and maybe see green gold. What the fuck? Handgun parts, denim pants. Not a lot, not a lot. What? Oh, I thought that bag was moving then. I hit it. I was like, what? That was fucking freaked me out there. And I was like, oh my god, is this a zombie in here? There might be a zombie up here. I'm freaking out. Oh, there's one there. Jesus. Okay. Took her face off. I need to repair this. There we go. Oh, I thought she's coming out. You coming out? There you go. There it is. Ah, shit. Ah, shit. Whoa! The hell? Don't like the jumpy ones. Hey, love, there's a door here. Oh my god, there's more coming in. Oh. Glue. I need glue. Ooh, nice. What's that? Stone. Okay. Oh, I need my shiv. Oh. Oh, boy. I get... Is a comet some passing last time was like 50,000 years ago and you can see it with your eyes. Oh, is it a comet, is it? When's that happening? So is it happening right now or something? Nice. Do you know what I like finding supplies sometimes when you want to do it later? Let's get rid of those. Oh, do you know what? Put those in here. Put that water on us. We need to find food. Definitely not going to find it in here though. Oh, acid. We need that for building the chemistry set. Oh, we might find some food in here. I don't know. We'll see. Just need to look properly. Oh, I guess we could buy... I can't afford anything. I wonder if we can break it. Whoa, Jesus. Okay, no, you can't. Okay. I guess it stops you from nicking shit. Oh, God. Alright. Let's have a look. Let's go upstairs. So last time it was here, CJ was a baby. Wait, what? Cheeky fucker. I'm hungry, I know. Come on, give me some food. Give me some food. Oh, God. Oof. Usually find something. Come on. Gotta get find some food. Aha, look at that. Ask and you shall receive. There it is. Alright. We're good for a bit. Probably gonna need some more, but for now we're good. Some medical supplies. Oh, I'm finding lots of stuff in here. Does that give you food? Oh no, craft first aids. Murky water. Alright. Oh, medical cabinet. Nice, we've got a ton of honey now. I think we're actually good on honey. They coming from upstairs? Sounds like they are. What's that? Oh shit, are those mines? Bruh. Are those fucking mines? Why can't I hit this? That's weird. I can't hit it. Why can't I? Can I break this? Oh, there we go. I think that one's bugged. Yeah, those are fucking mines. Holy shit. fuck? Oh, there's a medical cabinet there as well. Oh, it's a fridge. Here we go. Food. Oh, fucking bone. Are you kidding me? Stitch me right up. Step on it, you sissy. Oh, that's stupid, Todas. He's just like, I want to watch me die. Alright, let's hold up. Need some more nitrate powder. First aid kit. Nice. Okay. These are all locked. Oh, that's where... Oh. Technically, I could just break through these. There you go, Totus. It's a mine. Had to double check. Ooh, airdrop. Alright. Is it getting dark? Oh, it's because it's raining. I can't see shit in here. Oh shit, I missed. That fucking light done me over, mate. Oh shit, 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 shit. Woof. Whoa! Whoa! What the fuck? Jesus! Oh my god, she was right fucking behind me. Oh my fucking god, that scared the shit out of me. Hey user, what's up, buddy? I didn't believe it. Step on it. Show keyboard. What's up, Griffin? Oh my god, he landed on the landmine. Did you see that? He fell through the... He broke through the door and he fell through the hole and then landed on the landmine. Holy shit. Holy shit, that was funny. Oh my god. And he dropped shit as well.